Good morning, friends. Today we'll be talking. I'm going to explain the first chapter of civics, that is, what is government. So, first of all, I would like to explain you what is government. A government is necessary in every country for making decision, getting things done. The decisions involves like building of roads and schools, checking inflations of essential goods like onion, potatoes, supply of water and electricity, etc. So, first of all, what is government? Government is a group of people, governs a community or unit, administrate public policy, exercise executive, political and supervision power through customs, institutions and law within a state. Government in Hindi you can call it as सरकार. In Hindi we call सरकार, government को हम सरकार बोलते हैं. And what is the role of government? It protects rights of workers, making decisions, protecting boundaries and maintaining peace, good health, care, active in natural disaster, court and legal matters. A government also sought to protections, right to unorganized workers, and government fixed price of the other goods and essential goods like onion, potatoes, and supply of water, electricity, etc. So every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. These can be decisions about where to build roads, schools, or how to reduce the price of certain commodities and increase the supply of electricity, gas supply, etc. The government also takes action on many social issues. For example, it has several programs to help the poor. It does other important things such as running postals and railway services. So, role of government is protect right of workers, making decision, protecting boundaries and maintaining peace, good health care, active in natural disaster, court and legal matter, exercise leadership and implement. So here first of all, protect right of workers. What is protect right of worker? So some functions, that is, the government is involved in handling social issues like how to make good programs for the poor. It also do some important things like running the railway services and postal services. The government has also to protect the country's boundaries and resolve disputes with other countries. It is responsible for the health of people and ensures that citizens have enough food to eat. If disaster takes place like earthquake, tsunami, then the government has to organize aid and assistance camps for affected people. So right now we are having the situation of this coronavirus and how the Surat, you're seeing that, you're observing in this the Surat Municipal Corporation taking the steps for the betterment of the citizens. So these are the work that the government does when some natural disaster occurs. The government also makes laws for citizens of the said country. If there's a dispute or someone has committed a crime, we found that person tried in the court of law. So court are also a part of the government. Again, I would like to repeat, court are also a part of the government. Now government, it performs all the above functions on behalf of its citizen through leadership, taking decision and implementing program among all the people living in their territories. Now levels of government, we have levels of government. So national level, state level and local level. The government is responsible for many things and it works at different level. So these levels are you see in this module over here, the national level, the state level, and the district level. So, what is national level? What work it does at a national level? The government. So, it is related to the entire country, entire nation. And the state level, it covers an entire state. Only a particular state, for example, Gujarat, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. So, the government works at the entire state level. And local level, it is related to village administration, locality, or a town.